Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm another box break guy. Got some more Dragon Ball Super card game Ultimate Squad, another booster box. It's been a minute since I opened one, so I'm anxious to get back in. Let's go. Yes sir, back in the Dragon Ball. As promised, I'm gonna flash up on the screen right now all the cards I still need, at least the SRs, SPRs, and SCRs that I still need. I didn't want to put in all the different rare foils that I still need, or uncommon foils, whatever for that matter. I figured once we get through all or most of what we need left from the rare cards, meaning again SR, SPR, and SCR, then I'll start to flash up the foils that we need. But this way, we know as we go along, we can get excited for everything, even if it's not an SCR, as we try to complete this set together on this channel. Because in the past, you know, I've jumped the gun and just went and bought singles because I like some cards. I'm not doing that this time. We are completing this set together. Box topper. Pan Soaring Through Space SR. That's one of them we do need. Look at that. Right off the bat, box topper coming in. Love it. Check one off the box. All right. You know how we do. Right, left, back and forth. Last two cards only, unless we have a God Pack. So we check for a God Pack. And with no God Pack, that's when we move along. Trunks Adventures Advent, common foil, and then SR Son Goku, Final Sacrifice, also one that we needed. That is a beautiful card. Look at that. Right off the bat, two cards that we need. This is a good box so far. Oh, wait. Is that a scratch? No, I think that's part of the... I don't know if you could see it on the video. Yeah, there it is. There's a line. I hope that's part of the art. I'm not sure. This actually has two variations. It has an SR and SPR. And we need them both, so good stuff there. Nail the Protector, common foil. Android 14, inorganic card. Trunks Soaring Through Space, rare foil. Piccolo Fusions Resolve. Oh wait. It never fails, does it? Every video, I forget which side I left off on. I think I do a better job of being like later into the box, not like 3 packs in messing up, but Demon God Poutine, rare foil, Android 13. Son Goku, Magnificent Might, uncommon foil. Demon God Toa, preparing to fight. Son Goku Pan Trunks Space Adventurers. I know I'm not showing again the non-rare cards that I was still needing, but I still need this, so that's good stuff. And Piccolo Z Fighter. General White. General White, Red Ribbon Office. Common foil. And a super rare Metacooler Enhanced Menace. So we didn't need this. However, The only version I got of this so far was one from a box topper. So ideally, I don't want to open the box toppers, keep them sealed. So I was only going to open them after I'm done my boxes, and I didn't get the card. So good thing is, again, while I didn't necessarily need this, I didn't have it in a non-box topper form. So now I can leave the other one sealed. Dr. Gero, uncommon foil. Krillin Z Fighter. Son Goku returning to Earth, uncommon foil. Demon God Poutine, Imperial Warrior. General Blue, common foil. Super rare, Pan soaring through space. So you know how I feel, right? I've said this before about getting the same card as the box topper. So I don't like that. However, as I alluded to on the last hit, now I get to keep Pan sealed since we pulled her raw there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 14 packs to go. Demon God Salsa, rare foil. Demon God Shroom. Krillin Z Fighter, rare foil. Door, Cooler's Armored Squadron. Infinite Multiplication, Metacooler common foil. Hyper Metarildo. Demon God Toa, uncommon foil. Piccolo fusing with Nail. Mechakubra, common foil. And a super rare Cooler Sibling Cruelty. I'm looking, I thought. Yes. That is also one that I needed. This is also two variations. This is an SR and SPR. So still need the SPR, but good. Another hit that we needed. This is good stuff. Kami Guardian of the Earth common foil. And then a special rare Android 17 and 18 team up attack. Again, another one that I needed. This is awesome box so far. Oh my gosh. This is hit after hit of cards that I need. Love it. Cyclopean Guard common foil. Piccolo Fusions Resolve. Red Ribbon Army Assemble common foil. Super rare Super Mirror Overflowing Power. Again, another one I needed. And this is, I think, another one where it has an SPR and an SR variation. So it's like the ones I'm getting are, I still need the card just in the other variation, but it's still I have not gotten one duplicate yet. Again, unless you consider the box topper and non-box topper the same as a duplicate. Outside of that, this is a beautiful box. Android 19 common foil. A special rare Son Gohan Z Fighter. We do have that one. But this is one of the more expensive cards in the set that's not an SCR. So I will take that duplicate. I gotta check. Did I already have 3 SPRs? No, I had 2 SPRs. I was about to say, like, what's going on here? Demon God Toe, rare foil. Metacooler Core, the Collective. Last 4 packs. I don't even know what we have. I don't know if we have any hits left. It don't matter. This is a huge box for me. Mecha Frieza, uncommon foil. Salza. Piccolo Fusions Resolve, rare foil. Son Goku. Commander Red, rare foil. Metarildo. Dende, common foil. And then Red Ribbon Robot. All right. Recap. Got our Son Gohan Z Fighter SPR. Super Mirror Overflowing Power SR, Android 17 and 18 Team Up Attack SPR, Cooler Sibling Cruelty SR, Pan Soaring Through Space SR, Metacooler Enhanced Menace SR, and then Son Goku Final Sacrifice SR. So, no SCR in this box, but that's okay. We got so many cards that we needed, so I'm really excited. I'm going to update the list so the next time we have a video, we'll see even less cards that we need. I'm going to keep filling my binder up, keep the box topper sealed now that I don't have to open with pulling some of those cards this time. But overall, this box was a success. I appreciate you. Thanks for joining me on the ride and checking out the channel. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. Turn on notifications. You'll be updated when I'm dropping videos just like this. Until next time, have a great night.